This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Eileen Capriotti. It's all about the views. Stunning views of one of Cape Coral's widest canals. This corner, top floor unit offers 1,022 square feet open floor plan with 2 bedrooms and 2 full baths offered turnkey, as is. Move in ready to begin your vacation or vacation renting on a quiet cul-de-sac. With intersecting canal views from the screened-in lanai and main bedroom provide endless peace and tranquility. This well-kept condo association has new roof and new windows. Close to downtown, restaurants, entertainment and beaches. This won't last long. For more information, review the details below or contact Eileen Capriotti at 239-394-2505.